last mode now, mode number 7, is called the altered scale, or also Super Locrian. Super Locrian because it's like Locrian, but there's one more note altered down. It's the perfect fourth. It's altered down 1 halftone step. Looking at the chord notes 1, 3, 5, 7, we actually can build a minor 7th flat 5 out of this scale. On the one hand, in jazz, there are not so many scales needed to cover that kind of chord, but jazzers can't get enough of dominant scales. And this is what it becomes. The altered scale is a dominant scale. It's pretty dissonant. Let me play this scale over an altered dominant 7 chord. This is the sound that scale actually needs.